Move your stool.
Okay.
See. So you have to keep it. You have to keep it controlled. Yeah. Is that okay?
I kind of want to see what it
Looks
tastes
like the icing. Icing.
Don't play. Otherwise, you're going to be late for dinner. Please, I need to go to bed. You're doing very well. Well done. And your brother is urging you on. Well done too.
You need to tell me when to stop.
If you think it's okay. Is it smooth enough to make the pancake you like?
Do you think it is?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Let your brother turn it a little bit. Let's see what he can do.
You can sit on my stool, Mama. Oh my.
You have to hold it. You see how can you see how your sister did it? Ha! She's not doing like a wimp.
I'm not being
Exactly, that's it.
That's like Daddy.
Good. Now don't let it spill. What? You did well too. You did a lot more.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
That's true. That's only because I didn't even know what you guys were doing.
Yeah, well. Anyway, thank you everyone for the help. Yeah, ready to make it.